That one's Amber. Amber! Here's Rusty or Finn. Hi, bud. Hi, sweetie. Hi. Sweetie. Oh, cheeky. Are you cheeky? Are you cheeky? Stay there so I can show. And there's Toots. Are you biting me? You devil, you. Are you a devil? Where you going? Come back. Ah. There's Mommy. Hey, Roxy. Oh, Amber's getting a little love. Yeah. Hi, Amby. What you doing, Toots? Rusty, are you pulling on my coat? Yes, you are.
Roxy, help her down. Help her
Rusty.
down. Help her down. Good job.
Well, you're tough. You're a tough boy.
Look at her. So dark. Her color.
Oh, Rusty. Rusty's a cheeky guy today.
Mom, her color is so dark.
Hi, sweetie. Yes, she is darkened.
Yeah. You like your mama. You like your mama when she was a little girl. She was black in her fur too.
Rust.
Yeah. Yes.
Hi, baby.
And your mama's just plowing down your sister. Luke. Come here, mister.
Okay, where are you guys going? Oh, don't chew shoes. No, no, no. Come on.
Come here. Hugs.
Oh, you're a cheeky boy.
You're a little sassy boy. You got style, but you're sassy. It's like an alarm clock. You're pretty cute, alright. He's adorable. The two girls jumped over that little part to get out of the cage, and he couldn't get over, so he started to have a panic attack.
Oh, dear. Oh, yeah, let's go. Let's play. Oh, come on, Mom. We're going to play. I'm tough. I'm tough, Mom. Watch out, Mom. I'm tough. Not too tough, though, Mom.
Hi. Hey. Come on. Let's go get my hair. Oh, my God. I thought you were Amber, honey. I'm like, Amber. Amber, come on. Come on, Tweety. Let's go. Do my hair. You tell me what's on the strap. Deal? Okay.
Hey, boy. Hey, little boy. Oh, you and your mom going to wrestle some more. Hi, guys. Hi, kids. Hey, kids. Look at Mommy. Kids. No, don't eat the flowers, hun. Here's little Amby. Show me your face. That's a girl. Amby. Here. Rusty. Oh, he's loving his mom.
Mom, where'd you put my dress that I put here the other day? I laid my dreads on the coffee table. Now they're not there.
They're in the bathroom.
They're in the bathroom?
Hi, buddy. Hi, sweetheart.